The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Barrow County in north-central Georgia, Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Gwinnett County in
Yeah, because my mom doesn't have like a real spring break.
Georgia, northwestern Georgia, northwest-eastern Georgia. Be needed through tonight. In Oregon, 60 miles per hour. Hazard. Northwestern Barrow County in north-central Georgia, Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Cobb County in north-central Georgia. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and northwestern Jackson County in northeastern Georgia, northeastern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Springs. The 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Birmingham, Oregon, and Kenley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. With gust and damage. At the National Friday night. 634-4664 feet of zero. One. Oakwood, Hodgson, Pendergrass, Calmo, Rest Haven, Freeholm, and Kendler. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.